Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Twinkle. Hope you all are doing well guys. And guys, if you don't know me, I'm Twinkle. I make the video regarding shopping and cafe restaurant in Bangalore. So please do subscribe my channel. And guys, today's video is really interesting because we are going to try Asian cuisine, which is like Korean, Japanese, and Chinese. Basically, it is a Japanese restaurant and it is really famous, and all the food is so tasty. I already read all the review. Or एक चीज, one more thing, like it's not everyone's cup of tea. So if you like more Asian food, so you can try it. And this restaurant is really looking nice. The environment is really good. So let's go to explore it. So yeah guys, we reached at our restaurant, the Fatty Wow, and the entrance is really looking pretty. So let's enter it and we will explore each and everything in this restaurant. And basically this part is really cute decoration. You can take pictures and like selfies, it will be looking good. So let's go upstairs because our restaurant is in upstairs only. So guys, you guys can see this is the entrance of this restaurant and it is looking really great. They added some of the accent light and with the Fatty Wow logo, and let's enter it. So guys, here we are in this restaurant and you guys can see the interior is looking so nice. Some of the like Japanese touch, Asian touch, and you guys can see there are colorful paintings and so beautifully decorated chairs and tables are there. So you guys can take the feeling of Asian proper, like Japanese. So guys, you will get this type of sitting arrangement. By the way, this is in center and in sides you will get this type of sitting arrangement. And here is the smoking area zone, and you guys can see this is really looking great because of this lighting, accent lighting. And also you will get to see the balcony view, and here is the balcony view of Naples Road. So guys, we choose a balcony side table and it is really nice. So let's explore the menu guys. So अभी मैं आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ क्या क्या listed है, so that you will get a idea regarding this restaurant menu. So basically guys, you will get all type of Asian food, Japanese, Korean, Chinese, all kind of noodles you will get. There are different shapes noodles also you will get, and so many are there, and dessert also you will get. So yeah, and this is the next, which is the drink menu. So you will get so many variety of the drinks guys, the same as the beer and all, everything is there. You guys can see these things. So guys, here is our order. We ordered chicken ramen. You guys can see this is looks delicious. And guys, the quantity of food is really great. इधर की जो एक बाउल में आराम से 2 लोग खा सकते हैं guys. और एक चीज़, मैं फूड की रिव्यू इन द एंड देने वाली हूँ. So don't go anywhere guys. So guys, after having the food, we also explored the upstairs sitting area, and there is a bar section is also present, and you guys can see this is looking really great. So ये जो upstairs है ना, kind of dim light में बहुत ही prettily decorated किया गया है, and you will get so many varieties of drinks definitely because they have the wide range of drinks. So guys, you will get this type of sitting arrangement in upstairs. It is good, guys. So guys, we kind of explore each and everything of the restaurant. So let's go home. I will give the review. Don't go anywhere. So guys, it's review time and I'm in home finally. आज बारिश हो रही है and I'm really sorry guys. It's been little late. मतलब मुझे जाना था 3 o'clock में, but मैं थोड़ी snap ले ली and because of that only we went for like 5 o'clock. So सारे चीज पूरा, वैसे तो जापानीज रेस्टोरेंट की मेन जो थीम है लाइटिंग है, सो इट इज गोज फॉर द फेवर ऑल्सो, बट हाँ थोड़ा सा लेट हो गया तो पूरा इन डिटेल्स जैसे आना चाहिए था वो आया नहीं. आई एम रियली सॉरी, बट यू गाइज ऑलरेडी सी द वीडियो एंड ऑल द environment and all the decoration, how's the interior and food also. So we tried the ramen, so which is chicken ramen, something name is there. So we tried that and it is, the soup is really nice and that noodles is really nice, but मुझे boiled chicken इतना भी पसंद नहीं है guys. It's एज आई टोल्ड ना, मैंने बहुत सारे रिव्यू पढ़ा था और उसमें कुछ लोग लिखे थे कि इंडियंस के सबको फेवरेट आ जाएगा. इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. सो एग्जैक्टली वैसा ही है. मुझे नूडल्स अच्छा लगा, मुझे सूप अच्छा लगा, बट चिकन जो था ना, बॉइल्ड चिकन मुझसे खाया नहीं गया. तो मैंने पार्सल करके वापस लेके आई हूँ घर में और मैं बनाऊंगी वो इंडियन स्टाइल के मैगी में. तो उसको मैं ट्राई करने वाली हूँ. अभी भी है किचन में रख के आई हूँ बाय द वे. सो उसे ट्राई करने वाली हूँ. और अदरवाइज इफ यू लाइक दिस Japanese food, Korean food, so yeah, and they have the very nice sushi and all. You can try it. Noodles also, Chinese food is great and everything is great and ambience is so great. If you are sitting outside, so that will be the very nice place. और लेवल रोड के पूरा साइड पे आपको व्यू भी दिखेगा, बहुत ही अच्छा एनवायरनमेंट. ओके, सो नाउ इट्स रिव्यू टाइम. आई विल गिव द रिव्यू. नो स्टोरी, नो मोर स्टोरी. ओके गाइस, सो द एम्बियंस इज सो ग्रेट एंड फूड इज नाइस जिनको अच्छा लगता है. देन उसके बाद प्राइस इज लिटिल हायर. It's okay in Bangalore obviously, so that's it. I think I already explained everything about this restaurant. If you wanted to try new Kojin, so you can give it a try. So okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video and please do subscribe my channel and bye bye guys.